Hi student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve multiple choice questions on probability distributions. This is one important problem. The name of the chapter is probability distributions in mathematics part second. And in this video we solve multiple choice questions on subunit, that is variance, mean and ESD. Therefore, here the first problem is, this is the first multiple choice questions. The variance of first 50 even natural number is option A 833. Option B 437. Option C 437 by 4. Option D 833 by 4. That is 833 by 4. So here first we read again the multiple choice questions carefully. In this multiple choice questions we find the variance, and here we find the variance of first 50 even natural number is first 50 even natural number. And we know that the first 50 even natural numbers are from 2 to 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on up to 100. All these are the first 50 even natural number. And we find here variance. We find here variance. And we know that the formula for finding out the variance, is first, that is the variance of x, which is equals to sigma pi into xi square minus, in bracket, sigma pi into xi whole square. Or second formula is variance, which is equals to sigma x square upon n, that is the n total even natural number, and total even natural numbers are given in the problem, that is 50. Therefore here n is equals to 50. So we write here variance of x, which is equals to sigma x square upon n, but n is equals to 50, minus sigma x upon n, again n is equals to 50 here, whole square. This is one shortcuts method for finding out the variance of first 50 even natural number. Again, I repeat this formula: variance, which is equals to sigma x square upon n, but n is equals to 50, minus sigma x upon n, again here n is equals to 50, whole square. Then we find here sigma x square and sigma x. Sigma x square, that is the sum of square of first 50 even natural number. Means here sigma x square, which is equals to, here sigma x square is equals to, that is the sum of first 50 even natural number. And even natural, first 50 even natural number are in between 1 and 100. First 50 even natural number are 2, 4, 6, so on up to 100. So we write here 2 square plus 4 square plus so on plus 100 square. That is the sum of the square of the first even natural number. That is the sum of the square of the first 50 even natural number. And they are 2 square plus 4 square plus so on plus 100 square, which is equals to, here from this 2 square take common, then in bracket here 1 square, again from this 2 square take common, then we get here 2 square plus so on here 50 square. That is here 2 can be written as 2 into 1 whole square, 4 can be written as 2 into 2 whole square, 100 can be written as 50 into 2 whole square, and from this 2 square they common, then we get here 1 square plus 2 square plus so on plus 50 square is equals to here 2 square, that is 4. And this is here when now that the formula, when now that the formula, that is this is of the type summation r is equals to 1 to n r square, which is equals to n in bracket n plus 1 next bracket 2n plus 1 upon 6. We use this result, and here n is equals to again 50. So n, so write 50 in bracket n plus 1, 50 plus 1 into 51 into next bracket 2n plus 1. So 2 into 50 plus 1. So 2 into 50, that is 100. 100 plus 1, 101, 101 upon 6, upon 6. Again, I repeat this. Here by use the formula summation r is equals to 1 to n r square, which is equals to n in bracket n plus 1 next bracket 2n plus 1 upon 6, and put in this result n is equals to 50, we get this bracket. Then we find here sigma x square upon 50. Here we find sigma x square upon 50. So we find here sigma x square upon 50. And just we find sigma x square is this. So here this upon 50, so 50, 50 get cancelled. So 4 into 51 into 101 upon 6. 4 into 51 into 101 upon 6. And first we multiply here the numerator and then divided by 6. After calculations, we get here 3434. This is the value of here sigma x square upon n. Next we find here sigma x upon 50. And then we subtract this, we get the required variance. Sigma x, that is the sum of the first 50 even natural number. Sigma x, sum of the first 50 even natural number. That is sigma x is equals to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on up to 100. So we write this here. Sigma x is equals to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 so on up to 100. This is of the type summation r is equals to 1 to n, which is equals to summation r is equals to 1 to n, r is equals to n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. So from this here 2 take common, then in bracket here 1, here plus 2 plus 50. This 2 as it is, and this is of the type here. See, summation n is equals to 1 to summation r is equals to 1 to n r, which is equals to n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. So here n, that is 50, so write 50. In bracket n plus 1, 50 plus 1, 51 upon 2. Then here this 2 get cancelled, so we get here 50 into 51. And this is our sigma x. And from this we find sigma x upon 50. So next we find here sigma x upon 50. We put here sigma x. Sigma x upon 50 whole square, which is equals to sigma x, just we find this, that is 50 into 51 upon 50 whole square. Then 50 get cancel. 51 square 2601. Therefore here the required variance, which is equals to sigma x square upon n, and value of sigma x square upon n is 3434. Just we find this, minus here sigma x upon n whole square, and this value is 2601, 2601. Then after subtractions of this we get 833. Therefore here 833 is the correct answer. So here E is the correct option. So this is the solutions of the first multiple choice questions on probability distributions. This is one very most important multiple choice questions. Dear student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Next, multiple choice questions. Again, we solve one multiple choice questions. If the standard deviation, that is SD, if the standard deviations, that is SD, of the numbers 2, 3, 8 and 11, that is here the four numbers are given, 2, 3, 8 and 11 is 3.5, that is here SD is equals to sigma and sigma is given 3.5 and four numbers are given whose standard deviation is 3.5. Then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? Option A, 3a square minus 26a plus 55 equals to 0. Option B, 3a square minus 32a plus 84 equals to 0. Option C, 3a square minus 34a plus 91 equals to 0. Option D, 3a square minus 23a plus 44 equals to 0. That is, in these multiple choice questions, four numbers are given and whose SD is given. Four numbers are 2, 3, 8 and 11. Whose SD is given. SD is 3.5. And here, to show that which of the following quadratic equation is true. After solving this, which of the following quadratic equation is true? So here, first we write here the formula for finding out the SD, that is the standard deviations, which is equals to sigma, which is equals to, we know that, under root variance of x, under root variance of x. And we know that the formula for finding out the variance, simple formula for finding out variance, sigma xi square upon n minus sigma xi upon n whole square. This is the formula for finding out the variance. So first we find here variance and then we put variance in this under root. So here we find, first we find here sigma xi square, where sigma xi square, sum of square of the numbers, sum of square of the numbers, and here four numbers are given and four numbers are 2, 3, 8, 11. Therefore here sigma xi square, which is equals to 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 square plus 11 square. This is our sum of the square of the given four number. Given four number are 2, 3, 8, 11. So write sigma xi square, which is equals to 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 square plus 11 square. And then we solve this, which is equals to 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9, a square 11 square 121. After adding this 121 plus 4 plus 9, 134 plus a square, and this is our sigma xi square. Similarly, we find sigma x, that is sum of the given four number, that is 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11. This is sigma x. Sigma xi, which is equals to sum of numbers. And sum of numbers means here four numbers are given. First is 2, 3, a, 11. So sum of the four number 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11. So right here 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11. But very simple problem. We solve this problem orally. Then here 2 plus 3, that is 5, 5 plus 11, 16, 16 plus 8. And we put the values of sigma xi square and sigma xi in this result, that is in this formula. Here we put sigma xi square and here we put sigma xy. Just we find this. So we put here sigma this sigma xi square, we find sigma xi square is equals to 134 plus a square upon 4 minus sigma xi, just we find this sigma xi, that is 16 plus a. So right here 16 plus a upon here n, but n is equals to 2 3 a 11, that is the four numbers. So here write n is equals to 4, here also n is equals to 4, and here put sd is given, that is 3.5. 3.5, that is 7 by 2. So we write this under root, that is under root 134 plus a square by 4 minus 16 plus a upon 4 whole square, which is equals to 3.5. This is given in the problem. And 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. Here SD is given. That is the in the standard deviations of the number. If the standard deviations of the numbers 2, 3, a and 11 is 3.5, SD is given, that is 3.5. So we put here SD is equals to, here we put SD which is equals to 3.5 on this side as it is. And 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. Then squaring both sides, square and under root cancel. 7 by 2 whole square, that is 49 by 4. So here squaring both sides. After squaring, square and root in LHS, here square and root cancel. So 134 plus a square by 4 minus 16 plus a by 4 whole square, which is equals to 49 by 4. So I get this step here. After squaring both sides, then we get this, and then we solve this and find out the quadratic equations, which quadratic equation is true. So here 4 square, that is 16. So here multiply numerator and denominator by 4, then by using the equal denominator method. So here 4, so right here 4, 134 plus a square minus here, after solving this, 16 square 256, 16 into a, 16a into 2, 32a plus a square upon 16, and these 4 ones are over, 4 fours are 16, so 4 into 49, 4 into here 49, then multiply by this, multiply by 4 to each term in this bracket, subtract the term, we get one quadratic equation, and that quadratic equation is 3a square minus 32a plus 84, which is equals to 0. 3a square minus, after solving this, we get these quadratic equations, 3a square minus 32a plus 84. Therefore here the correct option is 3a square minus here 32a plus 84 equals to 0. Therefore, here B is the correct option. So, in this way, by solve the problem on one unit, that is one very most important unit in mathematics part second, and name of the unit is probability distributions. Again, we request you, if like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thanks.